Oh my goodness, let me tell you a little story. 3 years ago, I was staring at my bank account and oh boy, it was almost empty. Can you believe that? I had bills piling up and responsibilities weighing me down. It hit me like a ton of bricks. If I stopped working, the money would just stop too. I wasn't building freedom, I was actually building dependency. Yikes, right? But then, guess what? I discovered something that truly changed my life, the amazing power of making my money work for me. Isn't that exciting? And today I'm absolutely thrilled to share with you how you can realistically build $1,000 per month from stock investing, even if you're starting from zero. How awesome is that? Let's dive in together. Oh my goodness. Let's talk about investing. You know, a lot of folks think it's just like gambling, right? Or that it's only for those super wealthy people. But here's the scoop. The truth is, the rich don't just work for their money forever. No. They create assets that actually pay them. Isn't that fascinating? And guess what? Stocks are like owning a piece of real companies. When those companies grow, you grow too. When they make a profit, you're in on that profit. It's not some kind of magic trick, my friend. It's all about ownership. How cool is that? Let's dive into this together. Oh my goodness, let's be honest for a moment here. You know, to earn $1,000 a month, you really need about $12,000 a year in returns. Can you believe it? Now, if your investments are averaging around 8 to 10% annually, that means you're looking at building a portfolio of about $120,000 to $150,000. Sounds big, right? Oh yes, it definitely is. But here's the thing that I think people often miss. You don't just build it in a single year. No. You build it slowly, consistently, and strategically. Even if you start with just $500 a month, with that wonderful compound growth, it can turn into six figures over time. Isn't that exciting? Time really is the secret weapon here. The turning point. When I first started, oh boy, I made some mistakes. I chased after those hype stocks, panicked when the market dropped, and checked my portfolio every single day. But then I had a little epiphany. Instead of trying to get rich quick, I shifted my focus to strong companies, broad market ETFs, reinvesting those dividends, and long-term consistency. And let me tell you, everything changed. The market, it stopped being scary. It became so predictable over time. Isn't that just fantastic? Oh my goodness, are you ready to dive into something exciting? Here's a super simple plan to get you started on your investing journey. If you're really serious about this, listen up. First, you'll want to open a brokerage account. It's like getting your ticket to the investing world, yay! Then, make sure to invest every single month, no excuses, okay? Consistency is key, my friend. Next, focus on diversified ETFs, or those solid blue chip stocks. They're like the reliable friends of the stock market. Oh, and don't forget to reinvest all those lovely dividends. It's like planting seeds for future growth. Now, it's important to stay invested for at least 5 to 10 years. I know it might not sound super exciting or flashy, but trust me, it's extremely powerful. And here's a little truth. Most people won't tell you, the market will crash again. Yes, you'll see those red numbers flashing, and in that moment, a lot of folks will throw in the towel. But guess what? The investors who build real wealth, they're the ones who buy even more when everyone else is panicking. That's the big difference, my friend. Let's keep that positive mindset and be ready for the opportunities ahead. Oh my goodness, let me tell you, earning $1,000 a month from stocks isn't just about the money. No. It's about having options. It's about feeling that lovely sense of security, knowing you're not afraid of losing your job. Isn't that just wonderful? It's about sleeping like a baby at night, sweet dreams. It's all about that beautiful freedom. So, why not start small? Just dip your toes in and stay consistent. Think long term, my friend. And one day, just imagine, you'll wake up and realize your money is working harder than you ever could. Isn't that just so exciting? If you're ready to take control of your financial future, I just can't wait for you to join us. Subscribe because this is only the beginning. Yay!